multiple valid advanced medical directives. The judicial magistrate of first class, who has jurisdiction over the matter, must verify that the executor signed the advance medical directive willingly and without being coerced, and in the presence of 2 attesting witnesses. A preliminary opinion must be provided by a medical board that has been established by the hospital and is composed of at least 3 medical practitioners with a minimum of 20 years of expertise in the health area. After visiting the patient, the board will determine whether to recognize the advanced medical directive or not. A second medical board that has been established by the district collector will review the hospital medical board certification. Following that, the judicial magistrate of first class must be informed of the board's decision before visiting the individual to authorize his decision. The individual, his family or close relatives, his doctor or the medical staff may file a writ to the High Court under Article 226 of the Medical Board that refuses to allow the advance medical directive to be performed. The decision to approve or reject the advance medical directive will then be made by a division bench appointed by the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. The advance medical directive may be terminated or modified by written notice at any time. The doctors must be convinced beyond reasonable doubt that the executor of the advance medical directive is chronically ill, is receiving extensive treatment, is on life support, and that the condition is irreversible. This should be done before the doctors give consideration to the directives in the declaration. In situations where advance medical directives are not present, the process differs solely in the first phase, which is the execution of the advance medical directive. These directives will be in effect until a law is passed by Parliament. Concurring opinion, as cited by Justice Dhananjaya Yeshwant Chandrachud. Expressing the concurring opinion, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud states that the right to privacy is an element of human dignity. The sanctity of privacy lies in its functional relationship with dignity. Privacy ensures that a human being can lead a life of dignity by securing the inner recesses of the human personality from unwanted intrusion. Privacy recognizes the autonomy of the individual and the right of every person to make essential choices which affect the course of life. In doing so, privacy recognizes that living a life of dignity is essential for a human being to fulfill the liberties and freedoms which are the cornerstone of the Constitution. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud states that the court cannot limit itself by considering euthanasia only at the individual level. Rather, the court should focus on other levels of the social organization, such as sociocultural, institutional, and administrative levels. Considering the facts and circumstances of the cases, Justice